Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100. We will try to see how these instruments are going to behave throughout the US cash session. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, then followed with Nasdaq 100 and then at the last Dow Jones. So do watch till the end. Let's start with gold first. See gold on the 2-hour charts, it is getting a support here at 1872, 1873 zone precisely. Look at this, it has created a base here despite a breakout and then showed a bullish move, achieved 1890, again trading with a drop. However, I'll be cautious till the time it remains above 1872 levels. It can bounce back again and I'll be cautious. Yes, there is a little resistance at 1888 on the 2-hour charts. I'll be watchful of that. On the downside, if it breaks 1870, there is no stoppage till 1865, 1860 and below that we may see 1850 levels also. Look at the 2-hour stochastic. This is overbought, trying to go downwards from here. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move, but I'll be cautious. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. See, this is the beauty of charts. Different indicators, different time frames indicate different sessions. So now look at the 3-hour charts precisely. Higher lows, higher highs indicating a bullish move, but a breakout below 1870 is a very good indication that it is going to trade bearish and we may see a breakout towards 1860 and 1850 zones. It may give a sharp breakout once it breaks below 1860 levels. So do watch this carefully. And if you look at on the upside, there is little resistance at 1888, 1890 and then 1900 levels. Definitely 1900 is a very good resistance. Look at the 3-hour stochastic. This is looking upwards. It is still in buy zone. MACD running parallel. Hardly any gap out there indicating that neither bulls nor bears are in control on a 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, higher highs trading in this channel, low higher highs, higher lows indicating upward channel. It has to break out, a breakout candle has to appear. It may try to trade within this zone 1890 to 1872 zone. If it breaks 1870, any point of time, go short there. Probably we may see a sharper drop below 1870. Stay cautious. On the upside, we have to be cautious till 1885. Once it crosses 1885, then you can try to initiate a long entry. So 1870 and 1885, do not try to take a position. And if you look at the 4-hour stochastic looking upwards, it is bullish. It is still in buy zone. MACD trying to converge and cross over for a bearish move. Right now we're still in the buy zone. Now look at the daily charts. Interestingly, on the daily charts, see, it may try to create a red body. However, it is trading in this parallel zone which it has created. Lower highs, lower lows, and yes, it has still got some room for it to achieve 1860 levels. So possibly, yes, you can try to initiate a sell entry below 1870. It may try to go back till 1860 levels, which may provide a very strong support. And if it breaks 1860, we may see it going till 1850 levels. Also, as I said today early in the day, yes, 1890 beyond 1885. Yes, you can go long 1890, beyond 1891, it may try to hit 1900 also. So yes, beyond 1885, we have to go long. There would be a little resistance at 1890 levels, and beyond that, there will be a sharper rise towards 1900 if it continues to trade above those levels. However, I will expect it to break a little. I will expect it to go back again downside. It may try to hit 1865, 1860, and in fact can try to achieve 1850 levels also. Trade cautious. Don't go with my expectation, don't go with my bias, but trade with levels. Below 1870, go short. Above 1885, go long. Yes, there is a little resistance at around 1888 and 1891 zone. These levels may provide little resistance. So put your stop loss at cost and trade accordingly. Never lose your capital. And yes, if it breaks 1891, there could be sharper rise. So take your positions accordingly. Look at the stochastic looking upwards and still in buy zone. MACD trying to converge and cross over on the bullish territory. Right now it is bearish. RSI at the bottom. Considering this, again let me summarize. Below 1870 go long, above 1885 go below 1870 go short, above 1885 go long. And yes, above 1885, yes, there is a little resistance. It's 1888 and 1891 zone. Probably we may see it reversing from there, or if it breaks 1891, there will be a sharper rise. However, I will be of a bearish expectation. I will expect it to drop till towards 1860 and 1850 levels. It may try to go back till towards this zone, but I will be cautious. I'll not trade with my expectation but only with levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See Nasdaq 100 on the 2-hour charts trading bearish, low sloping downwards, but there is a sharper support at around 12700 zone. So I'll be watchful of 12700. If it breaks 12700, go short. It may try to go back till towards 12550, 12500 zone. It may give you a sharper drop, so stay cautious, stay alert. Any move beyond this zone at 12900 definitely a good indication that it is going to reverse and it may rise strongly. Look at the 2-hour stochastic. This is oversold here and hence a little bounce back can be expected. MACD is trading in a sell side, may try to converge and crossover. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, see on the 3-hour chart, interesting observation, these candles getting it a very stronger resistance at around 12850 levels, and that is why I said 12900, go long above 12900 only if and only if you see it trading above these levels. However, now look at last 3 candles. It is trying to create a flow out there, so I'll be cautious again. Only if it breaks 12900, go long, else till the time it remains below 12800 we have to be cautious. It may try to drop sharply, and in fact it can try to hit back towards 12600, 650 and 600 levels also. This is also very much possible, and I won't be surprised if it drops it toward in fact 12550, 500 levels. Right now it is appearing to be bearish, but till the time it remains below 12800 I'll expect it to be bearish. Between 12800 and 900 I will not recommend you to trade. Look at the 3-hour stochastic near to oversold zone. However, there is a possible bearish move here. There is a crossover here, so yes, it can try to trade in a sell side. MACD white divergent, still in sell. See, it is running parallel here, indicating the bearish momentum is continuing here. RSI near to oversold zone. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts there is a little resistance at 12900 and there is a little support at 12700. I'll be cautious in between these levels. Right now it appears probably we may see further sharp red candle and it can try to go back down. But yes, if it trades about 12800, it can try to go back and cross 12900 and above levels also. Right now appearing to be bearish. We may see 12600. Till the time it remains below 12800, one can remain short. Look at the 4-hour stochastic is oversold and hence I'll be cautious, but yes, a probable drop cannot be denied. MACD white divergent and RSI at the oversold levels. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts here, so at the bottom of the channel it is trying to get a support at around 12700, and yes, the Bollinger Bands, the bottom of the Bollinger Bands will give it a support at around 12500. So yes, there is a journey which it has to cover, which is of 200 points, and if it continues to drop below 12700 we can see a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 12650, 600 and then towards 12550, 500. Almost every 50 points there is a nearer support, and yes, 12500 is going to be a very strong support. Below that we may see a further sharp drop. At the same time, trading above 12900, yes, it can try to reverse back a bit towards 13100 levels. However, look at this. After 3 consecutive red candles, this is the first green candles retracement. This is the first sharp red candle, and this is going to be the second red candle. So I will be cautious and I will not recommend you to go long until it is below 12900. Yes, above 12900 only you can go long. In fact, till the time it is, and yes, please don't estimate anything in between 12800 and 900. Don't try to enter in between 12800 and 900, either long or short levels. Only below 12800 one can expect that yes, it may try to drop. However, 12700 is another support which right now it is trading at around 12730. So I'll be cautious there at 12700 levels also, and once it breaks 12700 we may see a sharper fall. On a larger schema, 12700 to 900 should be a swing zone, and yes, below these levels only one can expect it to be bearish. See, my problem is I know below 12800 it is a level to go short, but yes, right now it is trading at 12732. So some of you, if I say yes, go short, probably some of you might take an entry at 12730 levels, and if it tries to bounce back about 12800, every one of you will be in loss. So I'll not recommend that, and hence I'll recommend only to go short now at 12700 and a long entry about 12900. In between these 200 points, stay cautious, do not trade. That is the recommendation. 200 points, stay away. See, daily stochastic looking downwards and MACD running parallel in sell and RSI trading at the bottom. So this is the summary for the day. 12,700, 12,900, do not trade. Above 12,900 you can expect 13,100, 13,300 levels. On the downside, if it breaks 12,700 you can expect 12,500 levels, and breaking 12,500 there could be a sharper drop, so trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. Similarly, US30 is sloping downwards and it is indicative of a probable fall from here. Once it breaks through 32,750, probably you can go short. One can expect a sharper drop which might take it towards 32,500 levels. At the same time, one can go long above 32,950 levels. Once you see it trading above 32,950, one can go long for 33,100, 33,200, 300 zones can be expected. So yes, probably 32,750 I'll be looking forward to. Below this one can expect a sharper drop. It might drop till towards 32,500, 32,400 zones. 2-hour stochastic looking downwards, and MACD is running parallel and still in red. RSI near to oversold zone, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly 3-hour charts, there is a wall out there at around 33,100, and that is what I had recommended today early in the day. Don't go long till the time it remains above 33,100 levels. At the same time, there is a support here at 32,750. Once it breaks 32,750, we may see a sharper drop which might try to take it towards 32,500 levels and below. So trade with caution, and look at the 3-hour stochastic is in comfort zone, may try to go back again in oversold position. MACD is wide divergent running parallel here and still in bearish zone. RSI near to oversold, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see similarly here it is, and yes, from here also it may take a support and it can try to reverse, and that is why I'll be cautious in between 32,950, 33,000 rather, I will say 33,000 to 32,750. In between these 250 points I will not recommend you to trade, and possibly it can reverse also. 4-hour charts near to oversold, however not in oversold zone. MACD trading in the sell side indicating more bearishness. RSI is near to comfort zones, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily candle, you will find that yes, there could be a little support at around 32,750, breaking which one can expect that it may try to show you sharper drop. Maybe 32,700 also could be a good support, but below 32,700 it will try to drop towards 32,500 and 32,200 levels. It can give you sharper. So I'll recommend that possibly trade with caution till 32,700, and the upside 33,000 levels should be very strong resistance for it for any upward move. Look at the daily stochastic looking downwards, and there is a crossover on the sell side, so I'll be cautious with the longs till it is below 33,000 levels. Now look at the MACD running wide divergent and still in a bearish zone. And if you look at the RSI, this is near to oversold zone. So considering this, as I said, in between 32,750 and 33,250 points, we have to be a little bit cautious. Once it drops below 32,750, in fact 32,700 should be a very good support. Once it drops below 32,700, you may find it breaking sharply. The target is 32,500, 32,300 and 200 levels. These can be achieved. On the upside, once it breaks 33,000, we can try to go long. Then 33,100 is the target, and beyond 33,100 it will directly lend to 33,300, 33,500 levels. So trade with caution in between 32,750, 700 to 33,250, 300 points. We have to trade with caution. It can try to swing a bit in between these levels. Any break upside or downside will try to give you a very strong move. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not miss to join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or trading related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.